Hello everyone. We're still in Puerto Princesa at our modest accommodation, waiting for our transfer. A minivan will take us north to El Nido, what many consider the most beautiful part of the island. We can't wait to get there. The ride from Puerto Princesa to El Nido takes about 5 to 5.5 hours by minivan, a long but scenic journey through Palawan. Along the way, we pass through lush jungle, small local villages, palm plantations, and winding mountain roads. Finally, after a long and exhausting journey, we've arrived. We're not staying directly in El Nido town, but just outside of it, at one of the area's well-known beaches called Corong Corong. After spending so much time on the road, the sun is already starting to set. We decide to at least explore the beach where we're staying. We're honestly surprised by how calm it feels here. There's something special about this place, a really nice, relaxed vibe that we immediately fell in love with. Corong Corong Beach is known for some of the best sunsets around El Nido. The sun sets directly over Bachut Bay, with small islands scattered across the horizon. The water here is shallow and calm, especially in the late afternoon, adding to the relaxed atmosphere of the beach. This beach faces west, which makes it perfect for evening walks and watching the light change over the bay. Unlike the main beach in El Nido, Corong Corong is quieter and more spread out, making it a favorite for travelers who prefer calm over crowds. Many island-hopping boats actually depart from this beach, making it an important starting point for exploring Bachut Bay. You'll find everything you need here: small hotels and guest houses, plenty of restaurants and local shops. The area is well equipped and very convenient. In short, Corong Corong Beach offers plenty of space, peaceful evenings, and some of El Nido's best sunsets. Everything you need, from places to stay to restaurants and shops, is right here. The next morning, we walk along the beach and are surprised by how empty it is, yet it still feels alive. People are boarding boats for island hopping tours, locals are swimming, and the water is calm. The atmosphere is just incredibly peaceful. We can see plenty of fish right by the shore, crabs going about their work, and palm trees swaying gently in the breeze. All of this is set against the dramatic limestone cliffs that make El Nido so iconic. At the end of the beach, we join the main road. The walk from Corong Corong to El Nido Beach is quite pleasant on foot, around 2 to 3 kilometers depending on where you're staying. Most people take a short tricycle ride, which only takes a few minutes, but enjoying the scenery along the way is nice. Just keep in mind, walking in the midday heat can be challenging. Along the way, there's a huge food market and many souvenir shops welcoming you. Just make sure you stay on the right path. El Nido town has experienced a big tourism boom in recent years. At first, it might seem like there aren't many accommodations or much infrastructure, but a lot is being developed. Hopefully in the future, it won't change too much, because right now it still has the authentic charm that we really love about Palawan. The town is full of life. The main street has restaurants, bars, and cafes, while local markets offer souvenirs, crafts, fruit, and street food. The pier is busy with island-hopping boats, yet the town keeps its authentic rhythm. Locals working, kids playing, and shops alive. At night, music, small bars, and street stalls fill the streets with a cozy, lively atmosphere. After a tasty lunch at Tales of the Islands restaurant, highly recommending by the way, we find ourselves at the beautiful El Nido Beach.
Today very hot.
El Nido Beach isn't just beautiful, it's also well equipped for visitors. Along the shoreline, you'll find beach lounges and shaded huts, spots to rent kayaks and paddleboards, and places offering snorkeling gear. There are beachside restaurants and bars where you can grab a drink or a meal with a view. Toward the town end, there are tricycle stands, tour desks, and small shops. This mix of natural beauty and convenience makes El Nido Beach perfect for a quick visit or a longer stay, especially if you're planning island hopping tours. You definitely won't get bored here. This beach is part of one of the most celebrated beach destinations in the Philippines, known for white sand, clear turquoise water, and dramatic limestone cliffs. The kind of scenery that has placed El Nido among the world's most beautiful coastal spots. This area forms part of the larger Bacuit Bay, a protected marine reserve with over 50 beaches and islands, teeming with marine life and untouched nature. We really enjoyed our time here. El Nido Beach is different from Corong Corong, and although the bay has many boats and the main pier is just nearby, the vibe is still calm and peaceful. It's the perfect spot to relax, swim, and unwind without anyone bothering you with unnecessary distractions. We're slowly making our way back to our accommodation in Corong Corong. We can definitely rate our visit as very positive. It was truly enjoyable. Later in the evening, back at our beach and fully relaxed, we take in the stunning sunset once again. There's something magical and authentically serene about this place. We came across a restaurant in Corong Corong called Bella Vita, right on the beach, and we can definitely recommend it. While it serves Italian cuisine rather than local dishes, its atmosphere immediately drew us in, and we weren't disappointed. The staff were friendly, we felt completely at ease, and the stunning views from the terrace made it the perfect way to end the day. With the soothing sound of the ocean around us, we head back. We hope to see you in the next video.